Hip replacement surgery can be a life-changing procedure for many seniors who suffer from severe hip pain and mobility issues. As you age, conditions like arthritis or injuries can make it difficult to move without discomfort, making hip replacement a necessary step towards a pain-free life. However, the cost of hip replacement without insurance can be quite high, especially for seniors living on a fixed budget. The average cost of hip replacement surgery in the United States can range from $30,000 to $45,000. The good news is that Medicare does cover hip replacement surgery when it's deemed medically necessary, but there are specific conditions and parts of Medicare that come into play. Understanding how these parts work together can help you anticipate what to expect. Medicare Part A typically covers your inpatient hospital stay, including your room, meals, and nursing care. If you need skilled nursing facility care for rehabilitation after surgery, Part A may cover this too, provided you meet certain criteria. Keep in mind, you might have to pay a deductible for each benefit period under Part A, and depending on the length of your hospital stay, co-insurance costs could apply. Medicare Part B covers medical services related to your surgery, including surgeon's fees, anesthesia, and necessary diagnostic tests. It also covers outpatient care like rehabilitation and physical therapy, which is crucial for your recovery. You'll have to pay your Part B deductible and 20% of the Medicare approved amount for most doctor services, including the surgery. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as Part C, the costs and coverage details might differ. These plans often have different cost structures and may also include additional benefits. You'll need to review your specific plan to find out the costs associated with your hip replacement surgery. Prescription medications required for your surgery and recovery are covered under Medicare Part D. It's a good idea to review your Part D plan to ensure it covers the medications you'll need post-surgery. While hip replacement can be highly effective, there are alternatives to consider. Physical therapy can strengthen muscles around your hip joint and improve flexibility. Medications ranging from over-the-counter pain relievers to prescription drugs can help manage your pain. Lifestyle modifications like weight loss and low-impact exercises can also make a difference. Some seniors find relief through alternative therapies like acupuncture or chiropractic care. Whether you choose hip replacement surgery or explore alternative treatment options, the goal is to find a solution that best addresses your pain and mobility issues. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy a more active and comfortable lifestyle. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.